Are you painting? No. I need to put on this. So I'm gonna, hey bro, I'm gonna rob these even though I already did the challenge. I need to put these right here just in case. Just for extra stuff. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, buddy, you are free to leave. You are free to leave. No copy, yes! No copy. You will not copy this. Yes. This is like the counter. It's like it's oh, it's a secret. You are free to leave now. You are free to go. You can leave. I've seen enough. I've seen enough. I want to purchase a full-size map. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna purchase a full-size map. I'm gonna purchase a full-size map. That should do it. He's helped me a lot, but you've seen a lot. You saw me building it in the time lapse. Now it's time to show you the real stuff. Over here is the cashier area. You also have some pillar plant just in case. Over here. Under here is a no copy sign, which means you are not allowed to copy. So, by the way, just because you can't really see that one, there's one also. Over here, you have some W music, a fire rocket ship, and a store. Inside the store, you have stuffing machines, $2.99 by the way. You have some clothes, a bongo, more stuffing over there, some shirts and clothes and stuff. Don't mind our customer here. Yeah. We have a very fine bush. We have some arcade games. I'm gonna win. Trust me, will. Oh boy, you are so going down, bro. Here we have a jungle gym. Mr. Stickman, if this is a trampoline park, where the heck is the trampolines? So do you actually use process of elimination? I showed this area, that area, and all behind me. The only place you forgot to check was over here. This is where the trampoline park is. We have this soft ground just in case you're tired from the trampolines, all the bouncing, you know. You can have a nice trampoline. You can just sit in here, but you can also sit in here 5 seconds, or else. Over here is when the fun begins. By the way, we have no injuries whatsoever. Somebody help me! Help me! Whee! Let's go! Yeah! You heard it, no injuries whatsoever. And that's the end of our amazing tour of the trampoline park. If your child does get hurt here, which it won't, then it is not our fault and they should be playing more carefully.
Hi.